the cane stones.
So let's proceed over there. After we went to Mr. Isidore Fernandez's house, we thought of bringing you something else, something very fascinating. And that fascinating thing is what you will see here as one of the tallest structures in the open out over here, which you should not miss. As we walked through this beautiful betel nut plantation, areca nut plantations, which had creepers of pepper, we came over here and for once we felt very cool. And then we saw something really amazing, and that is this tall structure of the Betal. Betal is the spirit god who is supposed to take care and protect the village as such. He is mostly found in open area like this, and this particular beautiful idol which is here is so intricately carved that you can see everything on this. You can see, that there is a cobra on top. He's got a halo. The face is showing two fangs. Then it has got a very lean body showing the ribs, possibly hunger for everything. And he is not having any clothes. Many times in Konkani, when the young children run around the house, they say, "Are nagdo betal kosa kidyak bhota?" That nagdo betal, or the naked betal idol, that word has come from this. In this idol, you can see that in his right hand he was holding a sword, which may have broken down, and in his left hand he is holding a bowl. He is normally depicted with a necklace of skulls. But here we don't see it, though we are seeing one necklace over here. I do not know whether that I could call it as the necklace of skulls over here. And at the base, it has got a female deity and a male deity also carrying a sword. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the tallest idol of Betal in South Goa, or that's what I think. I'll just reconfirm. Possibly he may know, he may not know. Sarvesh Bab, do you think that this is the oldest Betal here in idol here in South Goa?
Yes, it looks to be one of the tallest. There are also of similar height, but this in the open field, this is the tallest. Most probably other temples in the north, they are covered and they are well, but here in the south, in the distant lands of Canacona, at the corner, the corner of Goa,
Okay.
basically, this is the tallest idol, and
Okay.
it has most of this Hoysala or Shilhara influence.
Okay.
So,
As I was talking to you, I found something else as I was looking here. There is a head of a ram over here, or a goat with a curved horns. You all can see the height difference, mine and of the idol, how tall it is. And one more thing, ladies and gentlemen, the offerings that are given to Betal are normally bidis, or they give them liquor, the local liquor, and the fleece wool shawls of the local goods, what we call as a kambar. And you can see that some of them have already been kept over there hanging on the areca nuts.